There's nothing else like this on earth. This is a stock replacement, direct bolt-on S300 VGT ball bearing for the 6.7 Cummins. This fits the 2007.5 all the way up to 2018, and it works with or without emissions. This is an S300 turbo with a VGT exhaust housing and a ball bearing center section. It also has a flange that bolts up to the stock manifold. So the Turbonator works with the stock manifold, or you can use one of our high flow 2-piece exhaust manifolds that outflows the stock manifold by 40%. Either way, works fine. The Turbonator VGT is definitely not a stock or a stock modified turbo. This ball bearing VGT comes in the following sizes: 63/68, 63/73, and a 66/73mm wheel size. To put that in perspective, your stock turbo is either going to be a 58 or a measly 60mm wheel size. The easy to install electronics allow you to use your stock exhaust brake button, so you don't lose your exhaust brake. With this turbo, you've got the Turbonator VGT exhaust housing combined with the DPS ball bearing center section. Putting these two together gives you an extremely fast spool up and great reaction time throughout the whole RPM band. Works on a deleted or a non-deleted truck. You can be programmed or completely stock. It doesn't matter. It's a plug and play. It works in any situation, whether you're programmed or not. It is the only S300 VGT ball bearing turbo.